Alright, what's cracking, what's rolling, y'all? It's your boy Swipe Bike 813. I'm back again with another video for y'all. This time we checking out this four-wheeler I got. This a 2000 Kawasaki Bayou 220. It was supposed to be like it's supposed to be just a shell, just like a rolling chassis, but I don't know, it came with an engine and everything. The engine turning over. I don't know exactly what's wrong with it. Let's see real quick. Look like it need a carburetor right there. Definitely. Let me see. First, let me take this shit out. So I had bought a Duramax 440, not the 4. I had bought a Duramax 420. So I was planning on putting together like a little bike, and then I got this off Marketplace, not even thinking about it, not realizing. Come here real quick. Not realizing that this is a shaft drive. That Duramax 420 engine got a horizontal shaft for a chain drive, like a go-kart. So I don't know, it's a couple things I could do to get it to run on here, but I don't think I'm gonna do that, being that this engine right here might be good. So with that being said, we gonna go ahead and fix right here. As you can see, it don't got no carburetor. The wiring. Probably, definitely, most likely gonna need a new wiring harness with the diagram. This, I don't know what they was trying to do with this wiring, but everywhere. So I don't know, it's a little project that we got right here. That's what we're finna do. Rebuild the 2000 Kawasaki Bayou 220. I don't know how we gonna do it. I wanted to swap the motor out so bad, but this motor right here telling me that she worked. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what I'm gonna do with that. With the Duramax 420 engine, I guess I'm gonna make another bike, another four-wheeler. I'm probably gonna get this Polaris 90 rolling chassis that I seen. I'm gonna hand hook it up because I believe that got a chain drive. But let's get into it, man. We're gonna see if we could rebuild this Kawasaki. So after I did that last video, came back out and I realized ain't no ignition cord. So gotta get that too. And I realized, I don't know if you can see on this camera, but that oil looked like somebody poured a half a gallon of milk in the oil. So that could be a bad head gasket or something, but at the same time, we don't know because it ain't no carburetor. So anything could have got up in there. So with all that being said, this a project, baby. We got us a damn project, baby.